Guys, as you all know, I'm all about helping people. This world needs us. We want to help these people. This young man needs our help. It's a result. This guy, want to help this guy. He needs our help. Come as I help this young man. I want to help this young man. I want to change his life. Young man, unonzani? You need our help. Do you know that? Wanengo yakareba sei usina kudya.
Napesa kudya last week.
Ladies and gentlemen, akapesera kudya last week. But today we are going to change his life. We are going to help this man. We want to help this young man. So young man, I want to help you. I want to change your life. I'm all about spreading hope. I want to give you hope. Do you understand? Do you understand, young man?
Yeah.
Do you want to receive hope today?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to help you. I'm going to give you something. I'm going to help you. I'm going to be helping him. Let's change your 50, young man.
50 and 9.
When you change your 50?
Yeah.
As you have heard, I need to change your 50. But we are going to help him. We are going to help him today. I want to change your life. Do you understand?
Mom, don't do that, Joel.
What $1? Koi hundreds. Do you have $99, my friend?
99. Yeah, and $1.
$99.
$99.
All right. But what the show is to help these people. I want to help him. I'm going to help him. I'm going to sacrifice my life and my time in order to help this man. This man needs our help. He needs our help. Sit down, young man. I'm going to help you today. I'm going to give you hope. Do you understand? Sit down. You can sit down. You can sit down. But I'll be helping you. I'll be helping him. Do you understand? I'm all about helping these young people. Are we taking drugs, aren't it?
Auntie.
Are we taking drugs, aren't it? Yes. He doesn't do drugs, but he needs our help. I'm going to help you. Don't worry. I will help you. Sit down. Sit down, young man. I'm helping you out. Do you understand? When you swipe it, young man, I'm going to I want to help you. I wanted to help you, but I'm in a case right now. I've got swipe. Do you have swipe?
Yeah, swipe. Independent swipe.
What do you swipe?
Yeah. But swipe mentioned now.
Sit down, young man. Let's talk about this issue. I'm all about helping.
Of
course, I'm going to help you, but I want you to sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I will help you. Don't worry. I will help you.